This mystery store is making over $5 million a month. And what we're gonna do today is steal their entire store. Well, not exactly one-to-one. So in this video, I'm actually gonna show you how to copy a successful Shopify store ethically. This is to help you understand exactly what successful brands are doing right now and how you can actually do this yourself and implement them into your brand, ultimately allowing you to build a bigger and better successful dropshipping store. So how are we gonna do this ethically? We can't just copy them one-to-one. That's just stealing. We're actually gonna look into their store and see what product that they're selling the most. That way we know it's a guaranteed winner. Next, we're gonna go to their website and find their advertising name. Sometimes on Facebook ad library, it's a little bit harder because they disguise their name so people like us don't really steal it and copy it all the time. Once we find their ads, we're gonna dissect them and recreate them ourselves. And I'm gonna show you exactly how to build a one-to-one inspired brand. That way you have the highest chance of success and build out a fantastic looking brand. All right, so let's reveal the store that we're gonna be copying. The brand is called Jackson. You can see on Forbes here that Jackson is estimated to do about $60 million in revenue just in 2021 alone. So in 2023, I'm imagining it's a lot higher. They're doing really well in the jewelry space, specifically focusing on men, providing high quality chains and bracelets at a fair price. All right, so this is the store in question. You've probably seen it before. It's a pretty popular brand. They're on BuzzFeed, Forbes, US Today. They're kind of all over the place. They do a lot of advertising on pretty much all social media platforms. Overall, the brand looks super branded in general, and that's why it's so successful. They just do a really clean, good job on building this out, and that's one of the biggest elements that we want to copy. So let's find one of their best sellers that we can copy. I think we're gonna go with the first one in the best sellers list here with the Cuban link bracelet, 5mm. They're selling it for $79. So this is the landing page that we want to kind of replicate for our own brand. It's a pretty standard landing page, but they do have some customized features like this right here for fair pricing. It has their logo versus traditional jewelers. But other than that, it looks pretty clean and straightforward. So this is one that we're gonna be replicating today. Before we get into that build, we're actually gonna check out some of their advertisements on Menea. So Menea is able to track all of their ads and what they're running right now, what they've ran in the past, how well they've done, just so we can get some inspiration on what kind of ad we also want to replicate for our brand specifically. They have a lot of them here. It's pretty much endless. They've gone through a bunch of different variations of video and image ads. To keep it simple, I think we're gonna do an image ad here. So I like this one. We obviously don't have a celebrity guest here to put in our advertisement, so we're gonna have to do something a little bit different with that. But this kind of image ad is doing really, really well right now. And it's really easy to create and replicate, and you can make a bunch of different variations of it. So this is the one that we're gonna go with. The whole idea behind this brand and why they're successful is because a lot of people want these high quality chains and bracelets, but don't wanna pay this premium price or essentially the overpriced version of these. You can get steel-based and gold-plated items like the ones that they're selling, so it's not solid gold, for fairly cheap from a bunch of different suppliers on the internet. The quality's there because you can work out in them, you can swim with them, they're not gonna turn your skin green or anything like that. And they're sold at a fair price. You don't wanna spend $1,000 on a solid gold chain most of the time. You can just get it gold plated and it's just the same effect. All right, so now we know the product that we're gonna be replicating and we also know the advertisement. Now let's go into the store build and let me show you how we can copy their brand pretty much one for one or use it for inspiration to create our Shopify website to look just like theirs, which would allow us to get more conversions. So first we need to figure out what theme they're using so we can put that into our Shopify backend. We can do this by plugging their URL into the Shopify theme detector page. So we're just gonna plug in jackson.com and detect theme. So jackson.com is actually not built with Shopify. So they don't have a Shopify theme that they're running. Now, if you do plug in a brand that you want to replicate and they are running a paid theme, what you can do is you can pay for that theme to make it look exactly like that, or you can just go on a free theme and use a page builder to actually replicate it in your own custom way, which is what we're going to be doing here since Jackson is not even built on Shopify. So we're going to build our version of their store essentially on Shopify. Now, before we get further into the build and I show you exactly how to do it, I do want to make a point here. This video is for entertainment purposes. I don't copy websites one-to-one, and I don't recommend you copy brands one-to-one either. It's good to take brands for inspiration and put your own spin and twist on it and your own brand voice and brand marketing angles and all that stuff. So I'm not telling you here to go and steal Jackson one for one and use the name and everything. You can just use them for inspiration in their page layouts because they're proven to convert. Basically let all the bigger brands do the conversion rate testing for you and what their page lander looks like. And then you just copy it because you know it works for them. So you just do it the same exact format, but just have your own spin on it, your own images obviously, and all that stuff. If you steal everything one-to-one, well, for one, it's unethical and it's just not a good way to do business and it probably won't work. And for two, you're gonna get a DMCA takedown notice, which is a Shopify notification that you get basically saying that you're stealing content from other brands that are actually registered, and they will give you 48 hours to remove that content. Otherwise they shut down your store completely and you're kind of banned. So keep that in mind. You have to use your own images. You can't steal everything from their website. We're just using this strictly strictly for inspiration. Just had to clarify that before I get a bunch of hate comments saying you're just stealing brands. That's not the case. They're just used for inspiration. All right, so what we need to do is go onto Shopify and we're gonna start our free trial to build out our website. And of course, if you're brand new to Shopify and you want it for just $1 a month for the first 3 months, so $3 instead of over $100 for their Shopify fees. I'll have a link down below in the description. Make sure to take advantage of that because I don't know how long it's going on for. And you're gonna save over $100, so it's definitely worth using it. I'm not gonna go through all this. I'll just skip over it. Just basically skip all, fill out your information and log into your Shopify store. All right, now we're in the back end of the store. And like I said, we need to use a page builder to actually build out this custom landing page because it's not on a specific Shopify theme because Jackson isn't using one. But first we need to add the product onto the store. All right, to add the product, I'm just gonna be installing AutoDS really quickly. That's where I install all of my products and use them for fulfillment. All right, so I'm gonna click add products at the top left here, single product. We're just gonna copy and paste the supplier URL from AliExpress, throw it in here, publish to store. It's gonna upload the product to our store and then we can start editing it. All right, so we got the product uploaded onto our store. We're just gonna edit a couple things. Gotta remove all of these images basically in the description here. So we're gonna delete all that and change the name of it. We're just gonna have the title of it, the Cuban link bracelet. And we're actually gonna delete all of these photos because they're very AliExpressy and we want some, high quality photos in here. So we're gonna delete all these real quick. All right, so these are the photos that I'm actually gonna be using. I think they look a lot better than the AliExpress ones. They look more like a brand. So the order that we're gonna have it in is this one's gonna be first, this one will be second, third, and then fourth. I like to alternate between images of the product itself and then someone wearing the product. So I think this is gonna look good. We'll go ahead and hit save here. All right, so now the next thing that we need to change is actually the sizing, so the variance on the product here. So the sizes that we have here are 7 inches, 8 inches, and 8.5. All right guys, before we get further into the video, one quick thing I wanna mention. If you wanna learn from me and my team directly at Ecom Remastered, where we can build custom UGC content for you, custom websites, host 4 live coaching calls a week, you get direct access to me and my team, and the best part, we will work with you until you hit your goals. So the program is lifetime access. As long as you're still in it, we're still in there too. If this sounds like something that would help you out, you have to book in an application call down below. It is by application only. It has to be a good fit for you and a good fit for us. And if it is, I'll see you on the inside. All right, now let's get back to the video. All right, so now we've got the product up, we've got the product photos that we want to use ready to roll. Now we actually need to build out this landing page. So how we're going to do that is we're going to be using Pagefly. So it's an app on Shopify. You get your first page build free. I'm not affiliated with them in any way. I just like using them as a landing page builder. It's really intuitive and it's pretty customizable. So just search up Pagefly on Shopify App Store here and just install it onto your store. Now it's going to take you to the app Pagefly homepage here. And what you need to do is create your first page. You can create it from a template here, but once you go into the page builder, it's really similar to the Shopify online theme editor, where you can basically just drag and drop different elements that you want in there, like size charts, pictures here, the font here, and basically switch up all of the order. It's quite a bit more customizable than Shopify, so it's pretty nice to have if you have like a one product store or a niche store. So we'll just go ahead and click create your first page for our product. I'm gonna quickly build out the Pagefly page just because it's gonna take me some time, and then we'll come back and I'll show you exactly what I did. All right, so we're back and here's what I did. So this is the Cuban link bracelet here, and I just synced it up to my product and then built out the page below it. And so here's what we got. We got all the product images that I already showed you earlier that automatically populates. We've got the title. We added the #1's men bracelet in here, so #1 for our brand. Similar to Jackson's website, they've got the #1 men's bracelet here. Then we've got the sizing right underneath it here. So we've got the 7-inch, 8-inch, and 8.5-inch. So we've also got the sizing guide drop down right here so people can measure their wrist to see exactly what size they need. Then we've got the add to cart buttons with the quantity selector here. I also took inspiration from Jackson here with the details and fair pricing. So the fair pricing section, it's like our brand, we're selling it for X amount. Online stores are selling it for $250. Traditional stores are up to $300, so you're getting a great deal. We saw that here on Jackson, like I was showing you earlier, with their fair pricing. They've got their logo at $79. Traditional jewelers are $200, so we took that inspiration from that as well. Now scrolling down, we've got the exact same layout that Jackson actually has. We've got different pictures, but the copy is the exact same for now. So this is exactly how theirs is laid out. We've got like, alternating images on the side here. Right now I just copied it one for one, so it just says the exact same thing that Jackson does, and we don't want to do that. We don't want to, plagiarize them completely. So what we're actually going to do is take these inputs and plug them into Dropbot and generate our own version with our own brand voice to plug in here to replace replace this. So on dropbotai.com, you just plug in your product and any additional information. So I'm actually gonna throw in the copy that we had before. And we're gonna go with some product descriptions here. So we'll check that off and hit generate. All right, then it spits out some product descriptions that we can throw in here. So we're gonna copy and paste those back into our Pagefly build. So we're actually gonna change the made in Italy one because our product is not gonna be made in Italy. And that's what Jackson's actually comes from. So what Dropbot said and came up with us was say goodbye to limited options and hello to endless possibilities with the Cuban link bracelet. Perfect balance of fashion and functions for the modern man. So the idea of this text here is to emphasize that you can kind of wear this product anywhere you want. You can dress it up or dress it down. All right, so we're gonna change it to the perfect piece for any occasion. Now we're gonna copy the second one here and throw it in for timeless style. Stand out from the crowd, make a statement with the Cuban link bracelet, a unique and versatile accessory that exudes luxury and sophistication. And we're gonna leave timeless style because I think that works. All right, so for the one with the materials, we actually will be having the same materials as Jackson. So we're just gonna copy the bottom half from Dropbot AI and plugging it in here. So we're gonna change it after it's coated in solid 14 karat gold. Paste this in here, and then we are going to delete the second half here. So we're gonna come back and say, elevate your style and save money with our Cuban link bracelet. Made with high quality materials and built to last, you won't have to constantly replace your accessories. A stylish and durable accessory that'll elevate any outfit and save you time and money in the long run. So those are all changed. All the copy is good to go thanks to Dropbot AI. It makes it super easy. If you want to try that out, I'll have a link down below in the description. And at the top here, we left space for looks ratings, so we can throw in some ratings here if we wanted to, and they would populate at the bottom as well for the review gallery. But for now, everything is looking pretty good, pretty similar. So this is our layout right now. Scroll down, no compromises. Timeless style, all that stuff. If you scroll on to Jackson's, we've now got pretty much the same layout. We've got images on the left side, Cuban link bracelet, #1 men's bracelet, sizing chart. We got fair pricing and details, same as ours. We don't have any related products. I can't throw those on here because we're just doing it for one product right now, but you can throw those in there on Shopify or the page builder Pagefly if you want to. And no compromises, made in Italy. Timeless style, basically looks the exact same, and we've got the reviews at the bottom. So we're pretty much good to go, and obviously on the page builders like this, you can play around with the fonts and styles and locations of everything. It's completely customizable, which makes this super, super easy. So whenever you see a brand on Shopify have a cool feature, maybe it's this one right here, the progress box, and you don't see a Shopify theme that has it, all you gotta do is download a page builder like this, and it makes it super, super customizable and really easy to use. Now we're gonna move on to replicating one of their ads and how easy it is to actually do that to run a successful campaign. I know I didn't go into crazy detail on using this page builder here. We're just gonna go ahead and hit save. But if you want me to go in way more in depth on like Pagefly or another page builder, if you're interested in that, just leave a comment down below and I'll make a video on that as well. All right, so going back onto Manea, this is the advertisement, the image ad that we want to kind of replicate here. We're gonna put our own spin on it, our own twist. We're not gonna have a celebrity influencer on our ad. We can't do that. We don't have one. And you cannot use someone's face or their name without their permission. So we can't do that. But we're gonna replicate this kind of as best I can in our own version. So what I came up with is the #1 bracelet for true masculine men, because the brand itself and kind of the voice would be like aiming at men, like it's cool to wear jewelry and bracelets and to show off your tattoos and compliment them and just kind of like that edgier side while still following the trend of masculinity right now that you see all over TikTok. So I thought that's just something that we could add on here. All right, so I changed the font and I edited the background a little bit to put it on a white kind of box here. And then I said true in all caps masculine men and kind of switched it up and broke it down into different rows here. I think it looks pretty nice so far. Now we're gonna add some marketing angles and features into this image ad creative here to actually try to sell this product. The idea of this made-up website that we're copying here and creating for ourselves is that you can wear any of these products anywhere, whether it's a fancy dinner, you can dress it up, you can dress it down, you can wear it to the gym. It's waterproof, sweatproof, so it's your all-in-one go-to bracelet. So we'll put waterproof and sweatproof here, no tarnishing, no fading, and no greening, because that's a huge problem in some of the cheaper chains, is that if they're cheap and they're not coated correctly, it'll leave your skin green after you wear them. So ours does not do that, and we're also designed to last a lifetime, so high quality build. Now I kind of put the positions of this text kind of all around. We're actually gonna throw in some arrows here because it's really popular in image ads right now. So we need some strong masculine arrows here to throw on. I mean, these will work. These are masculine enough, I guess. Or we could do like a bow and arrow. I don't even know if I like these arrows, to be honest with you. It doesn't really work for this one per se. Might take them off, honestly. But a lot of the times now, like these image ads that are running really, really successfully are using like all these arrows pointing to the features of the product. I don't think that they work per se in this case, so I think I'm just gonna leave it right here. All right, so at the bottom, instead of having the Trustpilot reviews, because we're not registered on Trustpilot, I just put over 10,000 happy customers. This is based on the AliExpress orders. There's over 10,000 orders on the product. So we threw that at the bottom and kind of had it in the goldish color with like a scrolling type of effect, but it's not actually scrolling. And boom, we have created the image ad for this product and replicated all pretty much the exact same style of all the image ads right now, especially that Jackson is using as well. And going back to our website here, we are pretty much ready to roll in terms of this landing page itself. All we'd have to do now is just add some reviews and we're good to go. And that's how easy it is to really just copy or take inspiration from another brand and build it out yourself in just as high of quality. I hope you guys liked this video. I hope it was a quick explanation of what you can do to actually copy inspiration from another brand to put it into your own. Again, just let other brands run conversion rate experiments to see what the best layout is for your website and then just copy and create your own version of it. Again, to emphasize, you need to have your own copy, your own images, your own product names, and your own reviews. You don't want to steal anything from that actual website. Just take it and use it as inspiration. All right, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was a good breakdown. If you have any questions or want me to make a longer video using a page builder or something like this, leave a comment down below and I'll be sure to make that video because I'm pumping out a bunch of content these next quarters. All right, guys, as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.